introduce myself. Let's go. I'm out here making the max. I got it. So good at being.
Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today guys, I want to share with you guys a cool little update that Instagram has released right now, and that is you can now change your icon look of the Instagram app. So how can you do this? So first off, it's actually really simple. So all you have to do is go into your profile, and then into your profile, you click the three lines on the top right corner, and then you go on settings and just slide all the way down and then let it go, and there we go. So yeah, it's just really simple. And then from there, of course, you get to choose whatever icon design that you like. So you could go with the classic one from 2011, or you could go with like super classic ones that it was in the early stages of Instagram, of course, the early days as well. Or you could choose whatever gradient style that you like as well. So like very dark, light, dark, purple, green. So like my favorite color is teal, green, and all that stuff. So I chose that one, and it's just really great. But if you want to go with the classic style, you could go with that one right now. So why is Instagram allowing to do this? So first of course, it celebrates its birthday. So this month as well. So that's one reason that Instagram it is doing this update, and hopefully Instagram will allow this update to stay and not go away. But it will probably go away very soon, since I don't know why, but it's a big company, so I'm just guessing. But yeah, it's just a really fun little update that I highly recommend you guys go check out. Of course, now the only way, of course, to do this is just update your app, and there's no shortcuts involved like you saw. Nothing like that, no hacking. It's just update your app and just follow the steps, and you should be able to change the icon of the Instagram icon. So to whatever color you like. So that's it for now, guys. Of course, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel because that does help a lot. And I will see you guys later. Peace.